welcome again to our channel. Welcome to another unboxing. Please, if you enjoy unboxings, do subscribe and press the bell, and you'll be told when we upload an unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing a pink parcel, another one of my favourite boxes to unbox. This is one for your monthlies. This is a £12.99 a month. So this one's a ladies subscription for your periods. So it covers all your sanitary towels or tampons. And also there's also bits in there, nice bits, some bits that everybody's interested in. So as you can see, it comes in a black back, like a black cover, and this is the bit that comes underneath. Now it comes like this. Now there is a pull strip here, but for some reason mine tends to come unstuck. So I'm not going to pull it because there's no point. So there's the paperwork. I'll get to that in a minute. So you get your boxes. So here's your little bag, which you can put in your handbag. I'll put this down, that'll be a little bit easier. So there's your pads and some panty liners in there as well. So you put that in your bag. Not everybody needs to know what's in there. So if it falls out of your bag, you don't have to have your period pads, sanitary protection, falling out of your handbag. Say at school, at the till, at work. It's a bit nicer than. And there used to be little black bags with either bows or just with pink parcel written on it. So I think this is really much nicer to have a pink bag. So that's that one. So for later, which is more of your normal standard daytime pads. There's quite a few in there. These are the stronger ones for the daytime. There's plenty in there for one cycle. And then other people you can have tampons or a mix. Now everybody gets pads for night. As we know, it's not safe really to go to use tampons at night anyway. So okay, this is the bit that everybody wants. So let me just pop that down. This is the bit. This is pretty much always worth the excess of what the value of the box in itself is worth anyway as well. So, first thing I come to, well actually before I do anything, let me rewind back the paperwork. So here we have a little leaflet saying about multi, green tea and vitamins. You can get these at Holland & Barrett, Boots and Okaido. And it says if you enter this code, so if you can see the code there, by all means use it to get 15% off your tea. I mean, it's quite nice if you get a little bit of a discount on your tea. And does it say there's a price there? Maybe the price will be in this little book here. So there's a little, I guess, because there's a leaflet in there, there'll be a little bit, a tea bag, sort of a similar type in there. In the box, in this box there tends to be some chocolate, a cup of tea of sorts, and some goodies to get you over that particular delicate time. So the leaflet comes like this, and as you can see there's information about what's in there. So there's a little bit here that says spring forward parcel, a pretty refreshing month. The weather is getting warmer and everything is in bloom. The plants and wildlife and this parcel. Nature is beginning to spring. We're beginning to bring in you an explosion of colour, waving goodbye to the colder months for another year. Inspired botanical beauty, our spring forward parcel celebrates floral plus beautiful benefits that come in. So sit back, slip your beauty eye mask, bit of a clue there, sip your tea of lemon and peach tea, that sounds nice, and enjoy the excitement that the new season brings. Well, let's hope it's a good year for everybody. That's all I can say. Now we've completely sprung into spring. Oh, something nice and relaxing. So it says here, 1 pair, single use, treatment of 20-minute treatment. So we've got the eye protection mask, and it says here, Beauty Pro. So it says here, rich in marine collagen, green tea, aloe vera, vitamins A and E, place mask under your eyes to relieve dark circles. I need that. Tired and puffy. Well, that sounds good. So they're $4.95 for a pack of 3. So there's one of the 3, so that's good. So there you go. And the instructions are on the back, so that's good. And it says, wash face, take them out the packet, place them underneath, wait 20 minutes, and remove and chuck away. So that's good. Right, what's next? Okay. So I have seen a couple of the other YouTubers, and they've had this in a different shaped bottles. This is a really nice shaped bottle, a handy shaped bottle. So I might keep this one for my holiday. Where are we? The body wash. Yes, and on here I'll show you in a second. There is a different shaped body. There's a different shaped bottle. How lull the combination of moisturising aloe vera, calming geranium and cooling peppermint oil into your skin, deeply conditioning and gently cleanse. This is $8.95 for 300 ml. That's a big old bottle, 300 ml. And it says buy me at pinkparcel.co.uk shop. Oh wow. You can smell the botanicals, you can smell the geranium. I can't quite smell the peppermint, but I can definitely smell the geranium. That's beautiful. And like I was saying about when I saw the other bottle, there's a different bottle there. It's kind of the different shape. There we go. But I have seen that one as well, that shape as well. Very good, very nice. Right, now, some people had different, so there was 2 different items. You'd either get an eyeliner or you got, so you either got the eyeliner or you got mascara now. If you saw my glossy box, if it's up before this one, which I'm hoping it will be, I'm not very good at the old eyeliner, which I'm going to vow to get better. But I do like a little bit of mascara, so I'm chuffed to bits that I've got this one. So this one says, for a fluttering look, coat each lash in the Beauty Crop intensely black clump free formula that surrounds each hair in a film of mascara, and it's water resistant, smudge free and conditioning too. So that sounds really good, and it's a full size by the looks of it. And I do like the packaging. It's so cool. Is it 8 ml? I'm really itching to get into it, to be fair, because I haven't got a mascara quite in this sort of packaging. So as you can see, it's, so is it an 8 ml? Yeah, it's a full size, and it's worth £15. So I have got mascara on, but I'm just debating. I am debating. Nice brush. It's, admittedly, I am putting it on over another mascara. It was a bit. It did go over really nicely, and it was gripping the eyelashes really well over the other mascara. So it really feels like it's not too runny. It's nice. I don't like a runny mascara, so I'm loving that so far. It'll be good. I'm looking forward to trying that on eyelashes without mascara already alright. So let's hope I've not sort of upset the mascara by putting it over mascara. Right, let's, this one. another company that sounds, I love the name of. Jelly Pong Pong. Coconut and coffee and coconut lip scrub, infused with pure golden sugar. Is it jojoba or jojoba and rose hip oil to turn your lips soft and silky. Now, it's magical mystery packaging. How to get into it. There we go. This is a full-size item. And I'm quite, it's like, this is retail price of £15, which I must admit, looking at that, I mean, I wouldn't buy that as a full priced item unless I'd already tried it before, because obviously the size is quite a small size. But by getting it in something like this, if I fall in love with it, then you've fallen in love with it, haven't you? Then you would buy it again. So, it smells delicious. No, I haven't had a lip scrub before. It almost smells like tiramisu. It's beautiful. It really smells gorgeous. I can't really smell coconut. I can more smell the coffee in it than it almost smells like tiramisu to me. I might be completely, my sense of smell might be completely gone strange, but there you go. But it smells absolutely lovely. Right, tea bag. Packed in 9 essential daily vitamins, equating to 50% of your recommended daily allowances. So essentially 2 tea bags would be your daily allowance of vitamins. So these are really super tea, tasty, refreshing start to your day. So a box of 15 would be £3.69. There you go. And there's also, don't forget, if you get this box, and also I've got that code as well that you can use 15% off. Right. I did say a bit about a chocky. Now, we've got 2 little chockies here. These are Cocoba. Now, Cocoba orange milk chocolate. Go on, indulge 2 squares of orange chocolate. Designed exclusively for the PP squad. Melt in the mouth, delightful. These pocket-sized treats won't be in your pocket for long. And it says these are bespoke for subscribers. So there you go. I know if I don't eat them, there's definitely somebody in my family that will. And I think I'm on my last item. And this one is by Catherine Malandrino, and it's Eau de Parfum. So we know what that means. Now this is £16 for 8ml. Okay, so, and I don't know whether they've given you more, or this has got or the leaflet's got a little error, or we're just ultra lucky. But this has 10ml in it, this perfume. So this is 10ml in it. So £16 for 8ml. This is 10ml. And then was spray. Oh yes, it's beautiful. Now, it says, sorry, I'm just taking in the smell and I'm just going to describe it to you. Spritz the notes of ruby red grapefruit. I'll be able to sneeze. Excuse me. I sprayed it up my nose. Let me try that again. Spritz the notes of ruby red grapefruit, nashi pear, orange blossom and gardenia on your pulse points. and enjoy the fresh floral scent. It really is beautiful. Do excuse the sneezes, but yes, that is beautiful. That is totally beautiful, and that will be in my handbag. So, in the pink parcel today, so £16. We have the perfume, which is beautiful. I like a fruity, not overly fruity, but I like a fruity. But there is, what other tones was in there? Gardenia. So fruity, floral, beautiful. So £16. Then we've got the £15 lip scrub. Then we have the mascara, which is £15. So you can see we've already gone way in excess of the value of the box, not including the products, the sanitary products. We've got the body wash, which would be for 300 mils. I mean, here we've got 50. Okay, so it is a travel size, but still, we're still in way in excess of the value of the box. We've got the tea bag, the chocolate, and we've also got so these were 3 for £5. And also, don't forget, we've got all the sanitary protection as well. So that's your pink parcel. So all in all, this one never disappoints also. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. We do other unboxings, and we also do family things on this channel as well. So if you enjoyed what you watched, please subscribe. We would like to join the family. And also, if you want to know when we upload, please press the bell. And hope you have a happy, healthy day. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.